Ms. Nudrat Imam, Principal, Campus 1, Shah Wilayat Educational School, will come and give her address.
Thank you. Thank you, Sumaira. Respected Javed Jabbar Sahab, Dr. Fareed Panjwani Sahab, Taha Salim Najia, Managing Trustee, Deputy Managing Trustee, Honorary Secretary, Shah Wilayat Educational Trust, Honorary Treasurer, Siptain Saab, Ali Johar Saab, Arsalan, all the distinguished guests, dear principals, and my colleagues, Assalamu alaikum. It is so heartwarming to see you all here today. Thank you very much for your time. Well, I'm here to present briefly about Shah Wilayat Educational Trust and then about the school. Well, Shah Wilayat Educational Trust was envisioned and conceived by Anjuman Sadat-e Amroha in 1981. This trust is the cherished tradition of the eminent saint Hazrat Hussain Sharfuddin Shah Wilayat from Wasit, Iraq. His blessed shrine is in Amroha, India, and the living miracle of his shrine is that the scorpions present there in the premises, they do not sting or harm anyone. Ladies and gentlemen, Shah Wilayat Educational Trust is steadfast in its commitment to inclusive, compassionate and high-quality education, placing particular emphasis on supporting deserving students. In pursuit of this mission, the Trust has allocated PKR 70 million in the current year, constituting a substantial portion of its revenue. Here, orphan children are given 100% free fee waiver. Further reinforcing this commitment to accessibility, the Trust maintains a fee structure that is approximately 1/3 of that charged by comparable private schools, ensuring affordability without compromising the academic standards. And continuing its mission to pursue excellence in education by offering high-quality learning opportunities at an affordable cost to students from all economic backgrounds, while nurturing them into responsible, ethical, and productive members of a caring society. Ladies and gentlemen, Shah Wilayat Educational Trust. Shah Wilayat Public Schools were like Campus 1, located at Federal Bay Area, where we are having this event, opened its gates for the students on the 1st of August 1990. And while our second campus, located at Sadat-e Amroha Cooperative Housing Society, was established in 2015. Both the campuses are purpose-built with ventilated and spacious classrooms. We have auditorium, gymnasium. Sorry, sir, you won't be able to see since you all are here. If you were there, we have the slides and the presentations that is going on. We have the gymnasiums with the capacity for 150 students. We have the lift, well-stocked libraries, updated ICT labs, projectors in the classrooms, well-equipped science labs, the facility of health service, standby generator with 258 kVA, huge playgrounds, CCTV cameras monitoring. Altogether, at Campus 1, we have 126 cameras installed, and at Campus 2, we have 120 cameras. When I talk about the internal education system, we are divided into pre-primary, primary, the middle, the senior AQUB, and the O-level. And the O level is basically the fast track. That means we have grades from 8, 9th, and 10th. We start the technical subjects in grade 8, 9th, and 10th. That is saving 1 year, a student's 1 year, because the student, they pass out in grade 10th. And then also saving the fee of 1 year. Ladies and gentlemen, we are affiliated with the Khan AKU EB, the Examination University Board, and the Cambridge Assessment International Education. When I talk about the blessings, the first batch of the SSC here at Campus One passed out in 1996, while the first batch of the O-level graduated in 2005. And since academically, we always strive for excellence and achievements, so our students have secured positions across the country and subject-wise in both the streams, and we are extremely, extremely proud of them. Till date, 30 batches of the Khan board have passed out, while 21 of that of O-level, making Campus One the alma mater of 2,688 students. This is something very, very emotional. I can see so many alumni sitting here. We are affiliated with the Directorate of Inspection and Registration of Private Institutions, SIN. Ladies and gentlemen, when I talk about the YES program, the Youth Exchange Study Program, that provides scholarship to Pakistani high school students for 1 academic year, that is funded by the United States State Department. So ever since this program initiated, 20 of our students have been selected for this event. Well, at Shah Vilayat, we believe in taking the academics along with the and the extracurricular activities side by side, be it the learning excursions, the Hyderabad trips when we travel through the trains, or the inter-school declamation competitions, or inter-school sports events, the annual functions with different themes, awareness sessions for the students, parents, grandparents as well, orientation sessions for the parents as well. We have the graduation ceremony, the annual prize distribution ceremonies, the Model United Nations, the farewells for the outgoing students, and I can go on and on and on. I don't think I have that much time. Due to the quality education, good results, modern facilities, and affordable fee, parents, especially this vicinity, they prefer our institution, and resulting in great demand of admissions. To cater that demand, we introduced with the afternoon shift in 2019 with 80 students, and that was only for the early years. At the moment, alhamdulillah, we are reaching 700 students with grade 7 O-level and AKU. And we'll be starting with grade 8 AKU in the upcoming session, inshallah. By 2028, 2029, sir, both the morning and the afternoon shifts will be upgraded till grade 10. The afternoon shift will have grade 10, 2028, 2029. So that means we are talking about 2 proper schools. Another initiative to provide education and experience beyond classrooms and some educational cultural exposure, and to develop confidence, responsibility, and discipline in a structured way, we have initiated a program, an outdoor educational program by the name of SWIPS Sayyaha, where the students will be traveling to different cities and countries, and the first batch is all set to go to Lahore day after tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala. So wish us good luck. While we were talking about the alumni and all, I can see, like Taha and Najia already there on the stage, with Arsalan Masood, Hussein Haider, Sidra Wasif, Tayyaba Raza, Fahad Naseem, and so many other proud alumni. I believe that the Trust's vision is accomplished to cultivate curiosity because they have excelled in their fields and they are serving wherever they are. So Shavalite Educational Trust's vision to cultivate curiosity and a long life desire for learning in young minds by providing educational environments that inspire exploration, broaden intellectual horizons, and empower students to contribute meaningfully to humane social development. That has been accomplished.